Remember these? Back in the day, this was your business phone system. And if something broke, you'd immediately need a technician, or just pray someone knew which wire led where. Thankfully, things have changed. Hi, I'm Krispee, and welcome back to Krispee Talks. In this video, we're untangling a big question. What is a business phone system, and why is it evolving so fast? Okay, let's break that down. Business phone systems. It's more than just a bunch of devices and phones on desks. It's a complete setup to fulfill the telephony needs of your entire business operations. To connect calls in every department and manage them internally and externally. Sounds a bit over the head? Think of it as a phone with call routing, extensions, voicemail, call queues, and additional features than your regular phone. Also, these days, business phones come packed with advanced AI tools and even CRM integration. And why is it evolving? It's simple. Things in business phones needed advancements to meet evolving business needs. To reduce hardware and system complexities, along with cost. To make accessibility global while keeping scalability simple. That's the foundational reason behind it, actually. Then there's a reason that phone systems had to be reliable enough to match business demands and customer needs. And a bunch of advanced features evolved with it. So, yeah, business phones haven't all evolved. They're constantly evolving to keep up with the way we work today. And at KrispCall, we're already building it for the future. Got questions or want a deeper dive? Drop them below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, I'm Krispee, taking your phone to the cloud with KrispCall. See you soon on another Krispee Talks.